Right, so we're back at the school district, three-story building, and we've already completed the first floor. Right there's the carpet that we did, and then we did the basement. So looking at the map here, the basement, first floor, and then we did a portion of the third floor a while back. We'll probably finish that next summer. But every summer we're getting a floor to do. This will be our third summer over here. We're doing the second floor today. We're going to start it. We came and brought our tools and our carpet up yesterday. And so we're going to go up there now, and when it's all done it'll look like this. And that's about what we're doing today. Is well, we're going to start anyway. We'll do the hallway and then like an entryway like this. So we're gonna go upstairs now and check it out. Okay, and this is where we're at. This is the second floor. We're gonna be doing this lobby area right here. And then down the hall. On each side of the hallway, you have classrooms. There's some administration over here. But the goal is to get the hallway done in this area. And then from there we can jump into each room. Administration, and then we can go and do classroom by classroom. And then down here on the left we got our tools. What's really cool about this place is they have a microwave, coffee maker, and then they got bathrooms here, drinking fountains. It's air conditioning if it's hot. You got a heater if it's cold. We got a sink there, refrigerator, and then we got our little, they call it a conference room. But we're gonna use this to store all our stuff. So we got all our carpet over there, all our tools. We can use this as a work table. Downstairs we got a nice break room where we can eat up here, it doesn't matter. We got a view of the mountains over there. That's Mount Baldy with the snow on the top. Right up there. It's 10,000 feet, believe it or not. We got a TV, more restrooms. We're ready to go. Okay, we got all our coat base off, and we like to scrape our walls so that when we put our base on, it's nice and clean. That's why you see all that debris right there. What I'm doing now is we got a vacuum hooked up, and we're gonna vacuum everything up really nice. So when we do the demo, we don't contaminate any glue that's sticky. See, that's what it looks like when it's clean. And then we still got to vacuum that over there. We're working on the hallway right now. Got it all clean. Starting to do some demo. We'll go get some lunch, and when we come back, we're gonna do some skim coat. we're on our second day over here at the district office, second floor. We had a pretty rough day yesterday doing all the demo, did some prep, and got everything, all the carpet out, and started some prep right there. We're gonna start our carpet in this area right here. It's kind of the center, and then that way we can get everything straight. And we're gonna go down that way and then through this way, get all this installed, and then we can go room by room. So I'm gonna get these lights turned on. I'm not exactly sure where these get turned on. I think they're at the other end over there, but yeah, I think we got everything all demoed out. Yeah, we just gotta do a little bit of vacuuming. So I'm gonna get to it. So this is where we're at so far. All this is installed. We still got to do some coat base. And we're going to leave this for a weekend because they're still working in here. So we'll probably pull off and come back Saturday or Sunday. But we still got a few days till the weekend, so we're going to work on this back here. I'm gonna throw a skim coat on that right now, and then still got base to do back here, and then this room we're gonna do very last in the summertime. We want to leave this as our kind of like our, what do you call it, our camp. We got everything staged in here, so a place to eat our lunch. It's air conditioning with the TV. We're good to go. So that's it for the hallway up here. We got all our base on. Still got to come back and do these rooms later. hallway there done. Out into the lobby. Back in about a month. Get everything put back together. That's it. On to the next one.